Hey guys, Merry Christmas to everyone. So this video is I'm going to be showing you in this video my home morning routine, what I do most times in the morning. So obviously the first thing I do is wake up from bed, and then I say my prayers, which I am very sure most of you do. So yeah, you would see me signing the cross because I am a Catholic. And yeah, so I say my rosary, I read my Bible, and then before I go about my other activities of the day, so I make sure I do this thing as it's the first step for me start my day, right? So after I say my prayer, the next thing I do is to open my curtains and then let in these bright lights, Next thing I do is to lay my bed. Sometimes I kind of get lazy to lay the bed when I wake up, or yeah, for this video's sake, we'll have to lay our bed. I do this not every time, just to be sincere. I do not always lay my bed, so here you have it. Next thing I'll be doing is to brush my teeth. Yeah, so I'm just going to do that, and for the sake of because I really don't like it when people brush their teeth in front of me due to the whole smell and all of that. I don't necessarily like that. I would not be showing you when I'm brushing my teeth, just because I do not like it when I see when people are brushing. So please, if you have to brush your teeth, please close the door. I'm that kind of person, so I won't be showing you all of that. So this is me done with brushing my teeth, and then I have to clean the house, so this is me sweeping, basically just cleaning my room and yeah, getting all ready for my day. So this is my outfit of the day, just something very simple, something very cool that would allow me go along or help me feel free when I am working. This is me making food. Yeah, so what I'll be making is spaghetti and a bit of stir-fry veggies. I'm sorry, I'm just going to blend my tomato. I know this looks so much, but I like to do this and then store some in the fridge, definitely. So I'm adding pepper, tomato, onions, ginger, garlic, and all of those for my stew. And then I'm preparing all the stuff I'll be using for my stir-fry veggies. So this is me just cutting sausages, and then I'm going to fry my stew before I go ahead with the other vegetables. So yeah, my green peas comes in, my carrots, my bell peppers, the yellow and the red one, and everything, carrots. I'm just going to be cutting everything, and just because I want this to look kind of different. I like to cut my veggies like long. I don't necessarily like to have them tiny, so I cut them long. Most of the time, I just, sometimes I'll cut them in a round format, sometimes I'll cut them long, sometimes I'll cut them small, just to have different shapes and feels, since all of them have different colors. With that, they'll be looking very, very beautiful to the eye, and when you're making it and all of that. So as you all know, the eyes eat first before any other thing. So I like when my food presentation is really nice. I eat first with my eyes. I don't know about you guys, so I really like everything to look really, really nice before I put anything in my mouth. Yeah, so this is it. And then we're going ahead to stir fry. So first things, we'll add my carrots, and then add every other thing, the green peas, the green pepper, the sausages, the yellow pepper, the red pepper, everything basically, and then stir fry. I definitely sauce this stir fry. I added seasoning, I added pepper, I added salt, added everything that would make it taste a little bit better, because I don't just want to leave it bland like this. So I added all of those things to like enhance the taste. And yeah, so this is it. This is my spaghetti, and then my stir fry, and then my chicken. And yeah, so come and join me, let's eat. So yeah, after cooking, this is me now making or planning content. Like, this is one part of my day that takes up a whole lot of time, because before I put out any content, as usual, you have to plan it, you have to do all these things, and then write out some stuff and all what you want to say on the video. You know how everything goes. So this is me just planning my content. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, drop a comment, let me know what other videos you want to see next on this channel. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll definitely be seeing you in my next one. So take care, and Merry Christmas once more.